Hi students, 8th standard, chapter 2 measurement exercise 2.2. Before going this chapter, we should know some basic formula. Without these formulas, we can't do the sums. Okay, so all the formulas already we have studied in 7th standard and previous exercise 2.1. So let us see the basic formulas. Okay, the first square, we know very well, square, area of the square equal to a square and perimeter equal to 4a. And second one, rectangle, area of rectangle equal to L into B and perimeter of the rectangle 2 into L plus B. Third one, area of triangle half BH 1 by 2 into B into H. Perimeter sum of three sides and parallelogram base into height. Perimeter sum of four sides and area of trapezium 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. Here A and B are parallel sides. Okay. Sum of four sides. Perimeter is sum of four sides. So up to this, up to 5 formula we are using in this exercise. So remaining 6, 7, 8, no sums given based on this formula, but they may ask in 1 mark or some example sums. So rhombus area equal to 1 by 2 into D1 into D2. Perimeter 4A. And area of quadrilateral 1 by 2 into D into H1 plus H2. Here also perimeter sum of four sides. And finally, equator triangle. Area of equator triangle equal to root 3 by 4 into a square. And another one, in an equator triangle. So this is equator triangle. Okay, all the sides are equal. All the three sides are equal. Here, how to find the height or altitude? Height. How to find the height? No? Height equal to root 3 by 2 into a. Okay. So, from 8 formulas, first all the 8 formulas already you have studied in 7th standard. Or from that first 5 formulas in the exercise 2.2 we are using. And another one, ninth one, circle. Area of circle we know very well, pi r square. Semicircle of pi r square. Quadrant 1 by 4 pi r square. Okay. And then arc length. So some diagrams, some figures they will give, find the perimeter of the given object. So in that time we need to find length of sides, easily we can calculate, but length of arc also we have to find. For that I will give this explanation. So arc length, the full circle perimeter 2 pi r. In semicircle, this arc length alone 2 pi r of pi r. Okay. Then in a quadrant, this arc alone pi r by 2. So remember students, full circle arc 2 pi r. Semicircle arc pi r. Quadrant arc pi r by 2. Okay. So remember these formulas, then only we can do the sums. Okay. Yes. Now we will start the exercise sums. So first sum. Find the perimeter and area of the figures given below and use pi equal to 22 by 7. So here first diagram. So it is the combination of a rectangle and semicircle portion cut out of. Okay. So first perimeter. Perimeter. So perimeter equal to, remember students, always boundary length. That's all. Sum of the boundary length. So in the diagram, here 10 meter na, here also 10 meter opposite side. Okay. And here 7 meter na, here also 7 meter. So it means here it look like a semicircle. In that semicircle diameter is 7 meter. Okay. So perimeter equal to, what are the sides now? First we will start here 10 plus this value 7 plus this one 10 plus already the introduction formula introduction I said semicircle arc length equal to pi r. Semicircle arc length equal to how much? Pi r. So now 10, 10, 20, 27 plus pi value 22 by 7 into here r equal to diameter equal to 7. Therefore radius equal to 7 by 2. Okay. So now 27 plus 2 ones are 2 11s are and this 11 7 7 cancel. So finally 11 only. So 27 plus 11 equal to 38 meter. So this is the actual perimeter of the given figure. Okay, so here students remember this is the diameter. So therefore radius equal to half of the diameter 7 by 2. Okay, and semicircular arc length equal to pi r. This only new. Other side directly we can add. Okay, so first concept perimeter over. Now area. So area is nothing but a semicircle portion cut from the rectangle. So area of rectangle from that cut means minus area of semicircle. Okay, so total diagrams look like a rectangle. From that a semicircle portion cut out of. Therefore to find the required area of the total rectangle minus area of the semicircle. So area of the rectangle formula we know very well, L into B, minus semicircle also we know very well, 1 by 2 pi r square. So now here in this diagram L is 10 meter and breadth is 7 meter. It's very clear, no? So substitute here. So 10 into 7 minus here 1 by 2 pi value 22 by 7. Here in this diagram r already I said 7 by 2. So whole square, not 2 times we have to write. Okay. So 10 sevens are 70. 10 sevens are 70. Now cancel these values. 7, 7. Okay. And 2 ones are 2 11s are. So remaining 11 into 7, 77. 2 into 2, 4. That is 77 by 4. So 77 by 4 now we have to divide 77 by 4. So 77, 4 ones are 4, 37, 4 nines are 36, 1 remainder, foot decimal, 10, 4 twos are 8, 2 remainder 20, 4 fives are 20. That's the end of the division. Okay, so 19.25. So 70 minus 19.25. So 70 minus 19.25, we will get 50.75. 50.75 meters square. This is the required area. Okay. So how I subtract directly now? 19.25 you take as round up 20. So 70 minus 20, 50. And how much required? 19.25 become 20.75. Here put it that 0.75 value. Okay. So in the practically sometimes subtractions we have to do practically. Okay, so are you understand the first sum? Are you clear? So the given diagram and measurement we have to find the perimeter and area. Okay, so this is the first one. Now we will move second sum. So second sum also the given diagram and we have to find both perimeter and area. So look at this diagram. So in this question we have to note down some values. Okay, here rectangle and 2 quadrants, here and there 2 equal quadrants and 1 rectangle. Okay, here 6 centimeter means here also 6 centimeter. Here 3.5 means here also what will come? 3.5 centimeter. And then this one also 3.5 centimeter. And this one also 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So fill all the remaining values. Then this arc length and this arc length equal. Okay. So find this arc length. Arc length. Arc length first find separately. So pi r by 2. The formula explanation I told. Full circle 2 pi r, semicircle arc length pi r, and quadrant arc length pi r by 2. Okay. So pi r by 2. Here how many arc length? This one and this one. 2 arc length. Therefore 2 arc length equal to 2 into pi r by 2. So 2 cancel. So we get pi r only. Pi value 22 by 7 into here radius 3.5. Okay. 7 ones are 7, 0.5 are 22 into 0.5, 11. So here 11 centimeter is the total arc length. Okay. So now we can find the perimeter. Perimeter equal to, first you write the sides, outer boundary. Remember students, this value not included because it is inner portion. So outer boundary only we have to calculate. Okay. First start with 6. 6 plus 3.5 plus this arc length and this arc length together we find 11 plus this one 6 plus and this one 3.5. Okay. So don't forget students, don't include these two values, only outer boundary. So this value and this value together 11 we find. So arc length 2 arc length 11, remaining 6 3.5 6 3.5. Okay. So now add these values, 6 plus 6 12, 3.5 3.5 7. Okay. 12 plus 7 19. 19 plus 11 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter perimeter we will get. Okay va? So first over. Now area. Here this figure, this diagram is combination of rectangle and two quadrants. Okay. So area of rectangle plus here we have to add. Okay va? Plus area of two quadrant. Area of two quadrants. So 2 quadrants equal to 1 semicircle, we know very well. Okay. So area of rectangle formula L into B plus quadrant formula, quadrant area of 2 quadrant na, it means area of semicircle. So 1 by 2 into pi r square. Okay. Because 2 quadrant equal to 2 quadrants, 2 equal quadrants equal to 1 semicircle. 1 semicircle. Okay. So we use this idea. If now length equal to what? See the diagram 6. In a rectangle length 6, breadth another 3.5. So here substitute that value. 6 into 3.5 plus here 1 by 2 into 22 by 7 into r square, radius 3.5. Okay. So now multiply 3.5 into 6. So 3.5 into 6, when you multiply we get 6 5s are 33, 6 3s are 18 over 3, 21.0, that is 21 plus. Okay. Here we can cancel 2 1s are 2 11s are 7 1s are 7 0.5. Now 11 into 0.5 5.5, then 5.5 into 3.5 we have to multiply. So 5.5 into 3.5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 27, 3 5s are 15 1 6. So 5 2 9 1 2 decimal, here 1 decimal, here 1 decimal, 2 decimal. I hope multiplication you know very well. So 19.25. Okay, so when you add these two value, 19 plus 21, 40, 40.25, 40.25. So the answer is 40.25 centimeters square area. Okay, so now both diagrams, the given diagram, and we have to find perimeter and area. First question, rectangle and one semicircle portion cut out from the rectangle. Here one rectangle and two quadrants included in that with that rectangle. Okay, so I hope students you understand this sum. Okay, one. Now question number 2, find the area of the shaded part in the following figures. Here use pi equal to 3.14. So here look at this diagram, it's in the shape of square with side 10 centimeter and 4 equal quadrants are there. So remember students one thing, 4 equal quadrants equal to one circle. Okay, 4 equal quadrant equal to one circle, and also this total side on the 10 centimeter, but therefore this value 5 and this value 5. It means radius of the quadrant equal to 5 centimeter. Here side of square equal to 10 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the quadrant equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. So now we find all the required values. Now what you feel from this sum, to find the shaded region, we have to find first total area of the square. From that, subtract the 4 quadrants value. So area of shaded region equal to area of square minus area of 4 quadrants, 4 equal quadrants. Okay, so area of square we know very well, the formula is a square minus 4 quadrants equal to what we wrote, circle. But therefore circle, area of circle formula pi r square. Okay, so here side A 10 whole square minus pi we have to use here 3.14 and r we are having 5 into 5. So 100 minus 3.14 into 5 5s are 25. So 3.14 into 25. 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7, 5 3s are 15. Then 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 0, 15, 8, 7 and 2 decimal 78.50. So here 78.50 we will get. So now 100 minus 100.00, 78.50. 0, borrow here 10, here 9, here 9 will come. 10 minus 5, 5, decimal. 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2. So finally we get the required area 21.5 centimeters square. Okay, so here when you look at the diagram, you should get the idea. The area of shaded region equal to area of full square, total square minus area of the 4 equal quadrants. And also remember students, area of 4 quadrants equal to one circle. Okay, yes. Now second sum. Here also what you feel, one semicircle and one triangle they are given. one semicircle and one triangle the given. So here remember students, this is radius. This is radius 7 centimeter. So radius is equal. In a circle, from the center of circle, this side, this side, this side, anywhere, a radius is equal. Therefore, this 7 centimeter equal here and also here also. Okay. So here, how can find the shaded region? Total area of the semicircle minus area of the circle. Okay. Here we can write the headings like this. Semicircle. So what we need for semicircle? Radius. R equal to, it's very clear, 7 centimeter. And triangle. Next one object, triangle. In triangle, to find area, what we need? Base into height. Here base equal to, this is the base. Here one 7 and another 7. 7 plus 7, 14 centimeter. And height, this is the height. Height equal to 7 centimeter. So from the combined diagram, if you write like this, we feel very easy. Now we need not see the diagram. Directly we can write area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region equal to total first area of semicircle. Area of semicircle minus area of triangle. Area of triangle. Okay. So this is the formula. So we know very well area of semicircle. What is the formula? 1 by 2 pi r square minus area of the triangle. What is the formula? Half into base into height. Now substitute the given value. Okay. So first 1 by 2 pi we have to use 3.14. Okay. But here the given radius 7 centimeter. So we can use 22 by 7 into radius 7 into 7. Because 7 we can cancel. So only we can use 22 by 7. Minus 1 by 2 into base 14. Height 7. Okay. So now cancel the numbers. 7, 7, 2 1s are 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 7s are. So 7 11 into 7 77 minus 7 7s are 49. So the required area is 77 minus 48 9 28 centimeters square. In your textbook they are given 27.93. In your textbook 27.93 they give, because they use pi equal to 3.14. This round up value nothing but 28 only. So students, whenever in the question if radius comes 7 table values, we can use 22 by 7. If not, here the radius comes 5 centimeter, it is not 7 table, so here we use 3.14. Okay. I hope you understand this sums. Okay, well, next we will see third sum. So now third sum, this also we have to find the shaded region area. Find the area of the combined figure given which is got by the joining two parallelograms. So this diagram is joining two parallelograms. So this is one parallelogram and this is one parallelogram. So we know very well area of parallelogram base into height. Here students, two parallelograms are same, equal. So base 8 centimeter is very clear. So total height is 6 centimeter. It means this half of the value 3 and this half of the value 3. Okay. It means height of the parallelogram 3 centimeter. Okay. So required area நீங்க எழுதிடலாம். Required area equal to 2 are equal parallelogram. So 2 times area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram. Here student, why I put 2 times na? two parallelograms are same, equal breadth and height. Okay, so 2 into base into height. So 2 into base 8 centimeters clear, and height, don't forget students, 3 only. Don't take as 6. This total length 6. When it is divided into 2 equal, 6 becomes 3 plus 3. So that means area height of each parallelogram 3 centimeter. Okay. So height 3 only. So 2 8s are 16. 16 3s are 48 centimeter square. So very simple question. That's all. Diagrams looks like bigger diagram, but sum is very simple one. If you find height of the parallelogram, then base and height use, we will get the answer. Okay. This is third one. Now look at the fourth sum. Fourth sum also, find the area of the combined figure given formed by joining a semicircle of diameter 6 cm with a triangle of base 6 cm, height 9 cm. So here the given two shapes. The first one semicircle. So for semicircle the given diameter equal to 6 cm. So therefore radius equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, wow. Then triangle the given. Triangle the himself given base equal to 6 centimeter and height equal to 9 centimeter. So to get required area, therefore required area. So we can add both areas, area of triangle part, area of triangle plus area of semicircle plus area of semicircle. We can find separately and then finally also we can add. Okay, if you want to find separate area, you find separately and then finally add. Otherwise first we can write required area equal to area of triangle and area of semicircle. So area of triangle formula half into BH plus area of semicircle 1 by 2 into pi r square. Okay. So 1 by 2 into base 6, height is 9 plus here 1 by 2, pi value we can use 3.14 because no values comes here as 7 table, multiples of 7. Therefore we can use 3.14 and radius 3 into 3. Okay. Now here 2 1s are 2 3s are, so 3 9s are 27. Plus here we can cancel this only. 2 1s are 1, remaining 2 1 11, 2 5s are 14, 2 7s are. So therefore 1.57 into 9, 3 3s are 9, no. So 9 7s are 63 6, 9 5s are 45 plus 6 51 5, 9 1s are 9 plus 5 14. So 14.13. So now when you add this value 27 plus 14, 41.13 centimeters square. This is the required area. Okay. So students, you can do separately also. Separately we can write area of semicircle, area of triangle, and finally we can add. Otherwise together also we can do. Okay, wow? No problem how in any way you can complete. Okay. So fourth sum over. Now question number 5. So here look at the diagram. So here combination of two trapezium the given. So question number 3, combination of parallelogram. This question is combination of two trapezium. So trapezium, I hope you should remember, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and remaining are non-parallel. So trapezium now this is the general definition. One pair of opposite side parallel and the remaining pair is not parallel. This is called trapezium. Okay. So here we have two trapeziums. Two trapeziums with A, small a equal to parallel side, yeah? So 70 centimeter and another parallel side B 90 centimeter. So these are all what? Parallel sides. Parallel sides A and B are A equal to 70 centimeter and B equal to 90 centimeter. Okay. And we need height. Height H equal to the total is 70. This diagram divided into two equal trapezium. So this up to this 35 and remaining this 35. So therefore height of the trapezium 70 by 2, that is 35 centimeter. So now we know very well area of trapezium formula 1 by 2 into half into A plus B. So now we are having required values. So therefore required area equal to 2 times area of trapezium, because here how many trapezium? 2. 2 equal trapezium. Remember that 2 equal trapezium. So only I put 2 into area of trapezium. So 2 into area of trapezium, we know very well the formula 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. Okay. So here this 2 and 2 we can cancel. So substitute the remain value, H value 35 into A plus B, A 70 plus B 90. Okay. So 35 into 70 plus 90, 160. So now multiply this value, 35 into 16. 16 5s are 88. 16 3s are 48 over 8, 56 and another 0. So 5600 centimeter square. This is the required area. Okay student. So question number 3 and 5 look like same. Question number 3, combination of two equal parallelogram. Okay. Look at the question. This is question number 3. Combination of two equal parallelogram. Now we did question number 5. This is combination of two equal trapezium. So trapezium, what are the values we need now? Parallel sides A and B and H. After getting this value, required area, two equal trapezium, therefore 2 into area of trapezium. Okay students? Finally, we got the answer, required answer. Now, question number 6. A rocket drawing as the measures as given in the figure. Find its area. So, here they given one rocket diagram and also the measurements they are given. So, here what are the combinations of the shapes? Triangle, rectangle, trapezium. So, we have to find area of each and we have to add finally. So, first put the heading. What are the given? First triangle. To find area of triangle, what we need? Length, breadth, half into base into height. Yeah? So, base equal to, here in this diagram, remember students, this 30 centimeter here also will come. Therefore, base equal to 30 centimeter and height equal to, this is the height the given 20 centimeter. Okay. So, triangle we need base and height, we got it. Then rectangle. The next shape is rectangle. So, rectangle what we need? Now, we need base into length into breadth. Here total length of the shape, total length of the rocket, they are given 120. We have to exclude the triangle portion and trapezium portion. Here 20 and here 20 we have to include. Therefore, length of the rectangle equal to, from total 120, we have to cut trapezium portion and triangle portion length. Therefore, 120 minus 20, 100, 100 minus 20, 80 centimeter. Be cautious students, the length of the total rocket only 120 centimeter. So what about the length of the rectangle portion? So we have to exclude, that is we have to cut the trapezium height 20 and triangle height 20. So 20, 20, 40 we have to cut. So 120 minus 40, 80 centimeter. And breadth they are given very clear, 30 centimeter. Okay. And third object, trapezium. Third object, trapezium. So trapezium we need, what are the values? Sum of parallel sides and height. Here height the given very clear, 20 centimeter, and parallel side A equal, these are the parallel side, this one and this one, 50. Anyone we can take A and B. B equal to 30. Master, shall we take A equal to 50 alone or B equal to 30? Not like that. A equal to 30, B equal to 50 also we can take, no problem. So, in this rocket diagram, we are having three shapes, trapezium, rectangle, triangle. So, we find all the required measurement for that. So, now separately find each area. So, first area of triangle. Here area equal to half into base into height. So 1 by 2 into base 30 into height 20. So 2 ones are 2 tens are 30 into 10, 300 centimeter square. So one area over. Next rectangle. So what is the area of rectangle formula? Area equal to L into B. So here length 80 and breadth 30. 8 3s are 24 and 2 zeros. 2400 centimeter square. And here what is the area of trapezium? 1 by 2 into H into A plus B. So here 1 by 2 into height 20 into A plus B, 50 plus 30. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. Therefore 10 into 50 plus 30, 80. That is 800 centimeter square. So now we find a separate value of each shape. Finally, total area of the rocket equal to, we should add all the separate values. 3 area of triangle plus area of rectangle plus area of trapezium. Okay. So when you add all these three, we get the final answer 3000 paranga. So 2400 plus 300 plus 800. So 27 or 8, 35. So 3500 centimeters square. Okay. Yes students, so don't forget, here we have to find from the diagram what are the shapes, and then each shapes what thing we need to find the area, that is dimensions. We have to find the length, breadth, height, whatever required, we have to find that for each shape. Then find the area of each one separately. Then finally total area. Okay. So very simple one. If each area we have studied in 7th standard separately. Here we are doing only adding all the values. That's all. Okay students. You feel very simple. Okay. Yes. Now question number, last question in this exercise 7. Here find the area of the irregular polygon shaped field given below. Here they are given some measurements and areas. In textbook they put same color, but here for better understanding, I put each area different color. So we can put each area by numbers 1, 2, 3 like that. So this is A starting, yeah. So this is first area, and second, this is second one, this is third one, and this is fourth one, and this is fifth one. So we took like this. So first area, remember students, this is first area, and this is second region, and this is third one, and this is fourth one, and finally 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 regions are there. So we have to find separately each region. So first region 1. Region 1. First we have to find what is the shape of the first region. Triangle. So write that triangle. So in triangle we need base and height only. So here base it's clear 6 meter and height 3 meter, h equal to 3 meter. So therefore area equal to half into BH, that is 1 by 2 into 6 into 3. So 2 ones are 2 3s are 9 centimeter square. So first region area over. Now second region. Second region 2. So this region is look like, listen, the 3 meter and FB and HC are parallel. So opposite sides are parallel. One pair of opposite sides are parallel means it is trapezium. Trapezium. Okay. So for trapezium we need parallel side and height we need. So here parallel sides A equal to, look at this diagram, this and this are parallel side. If you take A equal to 3 meter and B equal to 8 meter. So these two are parallel. Okay. And then we need a height equal to. So this is the height. Okay, this full length 8 plus 10. Full length equal to height. 8 plus 10 equal to 18 meter. So height of the trapezium equal to how much in this figure? 18 meter. Now we are having all. So find the area. Area equal to 1 by 2 into h into a plus b. So put all the values. 1 by 2 into height 18 into a plus b. 3 plus 8. Now 2 ones are 2 nines are. Okay. So 9 into 3 plus 8 11. So 99 centimeter square. So sorry, meter. This is meter. So all the area meter square only. So meter square. Okay. So second region also over. Now third region. Region 3. So here region 3, it's very clear. This is the region 3 triangle. It is the shape of triangle. So for triangle we need base and height only. So here base equal to 5 meter and height equal to 8 meter. And don't forget students, in a right angle triangle, if you take base and height alternately also we can take. If you feel it is base, then it is height. When you take this is base and this is height, so in right angle triangle that is no problem. Okay. So now here area equal to half into base into h. So 1 by 2 into 5 into 8. 2 ones are 2 fours are 5 fours are 20 meters square. So region 3 over. Now region 4. Region 4 also, this is region 4 also triangle. So region 4 also triangle. Here from the diagram, what is the base? Base equal to this full length. Remember students, this full length here 10 and this is 5. 10 plus 5 together. So 15 meter is the base and height 8 meter. H equal to 8 meter. Okay. So now this area equal to half BH as usual. So 1 by 2 into base 15 and height 8. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 fours are 15 fours are 60 meters square. So region 4 area also over. And now finally fifth region. Region 5. So region 5, it is also like a triangle. So it is also not like a triangle, it is triangle only. A right angled triangle. Okay. Here also we have to find base and height. Here base equal to, look at children, full length 6 plus 8. That is 14 meter. And height equal to this 8 meter. Okay. So therefore this area equal to half into B into H. So 1 by 2 base 14 height 8. So 2 ones are 2 sevens are 7 eights are 56 meters square. So now we find all the 5 region separate areas. Now total area we have to add all the 5 values. Total area equal to, we have to add all the 5 region value. First region 9 plus second region what you get 99 plus third region we get 20 plus fourth region 60 and last fifth region 56. Okay, so when you add all the values we get 244. 99 or 9, 108, 108 or 56, 164 and 80, 244. You add it separately also, meter square. So this is the required area of the irregular shape. So the given one irregular shape, no, this one. So total area of this irregular shape is 244 meter square. Students, you feel that this sum is very big, but concept is very simple. You have practiced in 7th standard to find area of triangle and trapezium separately. Now we are doing combinedly. That's all. So this full exercise, nothing new. We are combining, that's all. So whatever you have studied in 7th standard, using that formula only, we are finding area. So here extra what we are doing means we are adding all the regions. Okay. I hope you understand, students. Thank you.